Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're diving into a type of letter that plays a key role in nonprofit and charity work, the donation request letter. I'll be guiding you through a sample letter, breaking down each section so you'll understand not just what to write, but also why it's written that way. Let's get started. Introducing your organization. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open the letter with your organization's information. Include your organization's name, address, phone number, and an email contact. This information goes at the very top of the letter, aligned to the left. In our example, it looks like this. Helping Hands Foundation. 789, Hope Avenue. Cityville, New York 10001. Phone, 555-987-6543. Email, info@helpinghands.org. This setup helps the recipient immediately see who the letter is coming from, making it easy for them to reach back out with any questions or to offer their support. Adding the date. Now, right under your contact information, add the date. This would be today's date in a real letter. In our case, it's November 1st, 2024. It's a simple detail, but it's important because it shows when the letter was sent and helps to keep your records organized. Addressing the recipient. Next, we address the letter to the person or organization you're hoping will make the donation. This is done just like a formal business letter, with their full name, title, company name, and address. In our sample, we're writing to a fictional recipient. Mr. Daniel Thompson. Executive Director. Thompson Corporation. 1234, Corporate Drive. Metropolis, New York 10101. Addressing your letter like this is essential in making it personal and professional. If you can, try to research and find the name of the specific person who makes decisions on charitable giving, rather than just writing a generic greeting. This little touch shows that you've done your homework and gives a more direct connection. The subject line, stating the purpose. Below the recipient's address, we have a subject line. This lets them know right away what the letter is about. Ours says, Subject, Donation Request for Annual Winter Warmth Charity Program. Keep the subject short and to the point. Here, we've mentioned the specific charity program, Annual Winter Warmth Charity Program, so the recipient knows exactly what cause we're hoping they'll support. Opening with a friendly greeting. Now, we're into the greeting. Start with something simple and respectful like, Dear Mr. Thompson. This is a polite and professional way to start the letter. Addressing the recipient by name, if possible, adds a touch of warmth and shows that this letter was written specifically for them. Introducing the purpose of the letter. The first paragraph of the letter should introduce your organization, the purpose of your charity program, and why it's so important. In our sample, we have, I hope this letter finds you well. My name is Sarah Mitchell, and I am the Program Coordinator for Helping Hands Foundation, a nonprofit organization dedicated to supporting underserved communities in our region. I am reaching out to share an exciting opportunity to make a meaningful impact in the lives of families facing difficult circumstances this winter. In these sentences, we're introducing the sender, Sarah Mitchell, and her role as Program Coordinator. By mentioning Helping Hands Foundation and its mission to support underserved communities, the letter instantly makes it clear who they are and what they do. The phrase meaningful impact in the lives of families facing difficult circumstances this winter gives a sense of urgency and the positive outcome that donations can achieve. Explaining the charity program. The next paragraph explains the specific program and how it helps the community. For example, as part of our mission to assist those in need, we are organizing our annual Winter Warmth Charity Program. This program provides essential items, including warm clothing, blankets, and food supplies, to low-income families and individuals who would otherwise struggle during the colder months. Last year, thanks to the generosity of community partners like Thompson Corporation, we were able to serve over 500 families in the Cityville area, and this year, we aim to increase that number to 750. This paragraph is doing a lot of work. First, it introduces the annual Winter Warmth Charity Program and briefly explains what it provides, things like clothing, blankets, and food supplies. Notice how it's specific about what items are included, This helps the recipient visualize the impact of their support. The next part reflects on past successes. Last year, they helped 500 families, and this year they're aiming to help 750. This shows growth and progress, which can encourage the recipient to get involved in something that's making a real difference. Making the donation request. Now we come to the ask, the heart of the letter. Here's what we wrote. We invite you to join us in making this program a success again. A donation from Thompson Corporation would be invaluable in helping us reach our goal and ensure that more families experience comfort and warmth this winter. Donations can be made in the form of monetary contributions or by providing items such as blankets, jackets, hats, gloves, and non-perishable food items. This paragraph is crucial because it's where you clearly state that you're asking for a donation. By inviting them to join us in making this program a success, you're making them feel like part of the team. Then, be clear about the types of donations that are needed. Here, we mention both monetary contributions and specific items like blankets and non-perishable food items. This helps the donor understand how they can contribute, even if it's not in cash. Offering recognition for their support. The next paragraph talks about how you'll acknowledge their support, showing that you value their generosity. To recognize your support, Helping Hands Foundation will highlight your organization as a key partner on our website, in our annual newsletter, and at our Winter Warmth Distribution event, scheduled for December 15, 2024. Offering recognition on your website, newsletter, and at events is a great way to thank donors publicly, which can encourage them to support you. It's not just about the donation, it's also about building a relationship with the donor. Thanking and providing contact information. Now, let's close the letter with a thank you and a call to action. Here's what we've included. Thank you for considering this opportunity to support Helping Hands Foundation and the annual Winter Warmth Charity Program. Together, we can bring warmth, compassion, and hope to those who need it most this season. Please feel free to contact me directly at 555-987-6543 or via email at sarah.mitchell@helpinghands.org for further details or to discuss your participation. Expressing gratitude before the end of the letter makes a positive impression and shows respect for their time and consideration. The line "Together, we can bring warmth, compassion, and hope" has a nice, heartfelt feel that reinforces the value of the donation. We also include contact information here, encouraging them to reach out to discuss how they'd like to help. Giving them a contact person, Sarah, in this case, makes it feel more personal. Closing and signature. Finally, finish with a polite closing like "Sincerely," followed by a signature block. Sincerely. Signature. Sarah Mitchell. Program Coordinator. Helping Hands Foundation. Including a signature personalizes the letter, and printing your name, title, and organization beneath it makes the letter look official. And that's a wrap. This donation letter is clear, polite, and to the point, with each section contributing to a professional presentation. Thanks for tuning into Writing Tutorials. If this breakdown helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future writing tips. Happy writing!